Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to unblock cutting blades on DREAME Roboticmover A1. So, take your mover and first flip it.
Robot is lifted. Emergency stop is activated. Please verify.
Okay, it stopped talking. It takes him so much. So now, I'll zoom it to you. To unblock the blades, just simply put your finger under it and press. Then take off the screw and you can take away the blade. You can check what's wrong, maybe, and put it back together. Push your finger and put the screw back on. As you can see, it's spinning. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.